Aloha everybody, welcome back to another GoGo Rental Discover. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Koko Head Stairs hiking trail. Okay, so I'm going to be honest from the start, there's not a whole lot that goes into this one. It's basically a hike that goes straight up a mountain, straight back down. Today we're going to be showing you guys a little bit of footage guest starring Logan and Spencer. These guys are pretty decent hikers, so they make it up there no problems. When you're climbing this hike, just anecdotally, a really good time to shoot for is something like 20 minutes, but it's not uncommon for people to take 40 minutes, an hour, maybe more to get up and down. The modern day hike that we refer to as the Koko Head Stairs is not really a staircase. What you're climbing on are the railroad ties that used to be used to haul equipment up to the summit of Koko Head. This makes it one of the most unique hikes on the island, and one that is, for obvious reasons, almost all leg workout. Now the hike itself is located at Koko Head Crater in Hawaii Kai, which is on the south coast of Oahu, and the trailhead for this hike is in the parking lot for the baseball fields at Koko Head District Park. From the parking lot, it's really easy to find your way. You're essentially just going to go around the side of the last backstop, and this is a very popular trail, which means you're going to be able to follow the other hikers like a line of ants, taking you all the way to the top. The only thing that you'll want to be aware of is there's not a lot of space on the sides of the trail to deviate off path for oncoming traffic. So if you're hiking in a group, you're probably going to want to go single file, and at some point you're probably going to have to stop and step to the side to let someone pass. So just be nice to your fellow hikers. There's only one trail, so try and work together to get everyone to the top. At the top, you're gonna find some old structures. Try and be careful when you're moving around this stuff. It hasn't been in use for a while, and some of these things are falling apart. All right, guys, that is gonna be it for this one. Koko Head is a very iconic trail. A lot of people either love it or hate it. So get out there, find out for yourself.